company in Greece. We operate mostly resort hotels in major destinations, in Crete, in Corfu, in Mykonos, in Peloponnese, in Rhodes, in Athens, in Thessaloniki, and some other major cities. Greek Hotel is pioneer not only for the environment, but also for the organic farming. It's about now 20 years that they signed a protocol, and it's one of the first Mediterranean resort companies that they incorporated environmental practices and procedures in the operational day-to-day operation of the hotels. The managing director of Greek Hotel is Nikos Daskalatonakis. Most probably you experience every day, Crete is very famous for its hospitality. One of the reasons is because up in the mountains, Crete has two big mountains, complexes. One is the White Mountains, and the other one is the Psiloritis, the other side between Rethymno and Chania. Based on mythology, Zeus, the god of gods and the god of hospitality, was born there. So this is the reason why the people of Crete, they have this hospitality. It comes from within, and a lot of guests, they see that there is a great difference of Crete compared to other Greek destinations. So Nikos Daskalatonakis, being a Cretan, and in the early years before the hotel operations, he was involved with olive oil business. That time it was like a local banker, because the people of Crete, they were depositing, the olive oil to them based only on trust, and they were getting money in case they needed them. Because that time, 40 years ago, you could live here without needing cash money. That was the system then. So, being a real Cretan and having this hospitality, he wanted always to offer the best to the guests. And he made it that Greek Hotels is synonymous to quality. So after he did that, he wanted to go one more step further, and since health is the most valuable thing for every human being, he wanted them to start offering organic products to its guests. And this is the reason we created, he created Agreco, and it's an estate covering 40,000 square meters, and even though you find a lot of estates throughout of Greece, this is different because it has a heart, and it has a heart because the organic cultivation started 17 years ago, since in all our hotels, in all the restaurants, all salads and vegetables are organically produced, and the olive oil we are using in our restaurants, it's olive oil coming from the farm. The farm is in Rethymno, where we have 6 hotels, and it's about 10 minutes by car from the seaside. Usually, it's open to the public for the evening, and yes, they have a chance, not only from our hotel, but it's well known now, and we have a lot of visits, and also during daytime, they can come to see traditional activities. If you visit the Greco farm, you will see, of course, a traditional village square with a church, a grocery store with traditional products, a cafeneon, and the restaurant. Taking a tour, because there is a guided tour, you can see a water flour mill, a place where we press the wine, where we make the local spirit, which is called tsikoudia, and from now on it's a period for that, it's a very If you have a chance to participate, of course you'll see it tonight there. It's a very good chance, I mean, to get involved with the locals. And we have a very traditional olive oil press. And throughout the year we try to cover the different products we have in the farm. So we have activities having to do with the shearing, the cutting the hair of the sheep. Later on we go to the harvest. Later on for grapes. And we ended up the season, I mean, with picking up the olives. The Agreco farm operates mostly for evening, and after taking the tour and experience all these activities, along going through a mini zoo and the gardens, and where you can pick up your own vegetables and you can taste the real products, I mean, we produce. You can sip a tsikoudia, enjoy one of the best sunsets of the island, and then you can sit for dinner. The experience is so unique, and even the food there, it's a culinary experience that the Vanity Fair from UK voted the Agreco estate as the best organic restaurant award in 2009. During the daytime, there are different activities, depending on the season. As I told you, we're covering the different products we have in the Agreco. And we have two very unique activities, one for adults and one for children, where both of them, using a different area of the farm and of course having their own products, they can come, experience real farm activities, and at the end, after having prepared their meal themselves, they can have a lunch. And both ages, both adults and children, they really enjoy that. And I think from my experience, the most enjoyable activity is making the bread, baking it, and of course tasting with olive oil. I mean, very warm as it is. This is Greece by Grecotel. It's the annual magazine of Grecotel. It's out of the printer shop by the end of July, and it's for a whole year. So you can see some of the different products, but you will see these activities here. Okay, this is the program. Be a farmer for a day. You see all the different activities, from making the bread, picking up free-range eggs and making a very quick and very tasty and easy to make a summery dish, free-range eggs, organic tomato, or zucchini, olive oil. It's even for us, it's a favorite one. And at the end, I mean, local Cretan goodies. This is for the adults. Usually they come around 11 o'clock and they are done by 3:30. And this is another very unique experience for children, junior farmers. Make your own healthy meal. Most of the hotels, I mean, we operate 5-star hotels, 4-star hotel, club hotels, and even all-inclusive hotels, but to the higher upper end. And we have a lot of families with children. And that's why we are very active with family activities, not only in the hotels, but also in the Agreco farm. And besides the zoo, and this is a very successful program. We have it, I mean, every year. Also, in the traditional grocery store, they can find a very big variety of Agreco products, having to do not only with olive oil, but also pickled local products. So we will try to take the best of every season and have them available to our guests for the rest of the season, for themselves in the restaurant or in the hotels, or even to take as a gift back home. This is what that was the proper way of every good housekeeper, let's say housewife. He was, of course, they were using the fresh ingredients when they were available, and the rest they were using different ways of preserving them, usually pickled. So you can find, wild artichokes. The wild artichoke is a very favorite of Crete, very healthy, and also pickled, hand-picked wild onions, which also are very, very healthy, along with Thymian honey, and all the products you will see, when you come this evening to the Agreco farm.
Thank you.